even the things were tough. Even the things were tough. He played for the Delhi cricket state team before making it big for India. The boy from Delhi. Virat loved the cricket since he was just 3 years old. He would ask his father to bowl him. At age 9, he joined the West Delhi Cricket Academy to learn professional cricket. He worked very hard and never gave up. Even the things were tough. He played for the Delhi state cricket team before making it big for India. World champion, leading the youth. Before he became a superstar for the senior team, Virat was the captain of under-19 Indian team. In 2008, he led his team to victory the under-19 Indian team in Malaysia. This was the moment the world realized that a new superstar was born. This victory opened the door for his main selection in main Indian cricket team later that same year. The run machine. Why is he called the run machine? Because he scores runs consistently in every match. Fastest 10,000 ODI runs. He did fastest 10,000 ODI runs faster than anyone else in history. Chase master. He is famous for helping India win matches by chasing down big targets. He plays with his aggression, his energy on the field, and for scoring runs all over the world. He plays with his technique and his aggression. His cover drive is one of the beautiful shots in cricket history. Captain Courageous, leading Team India. Virat Kohli was one of the most India's successful captains, especially in Test cricket. Under his leadership, India stayed number one Test cricket team until 42 months in a row. He taught the team to be fearless and how to win the matches, even in difficult countries like Australia and England. Record breaker ODI centuries. Virat Kohli won the world record of ODI centuries in ODI cricket. Virat Kohli scored 50 centuries in ODI cricket. Sachin Tendulkar scored 49 centuries in ODI cricket. Rohit Sharma scored 31 centuries in ODI cricket. Ricky Ponting scored 30 centuries in ODI cricket. Hall of Fame. Virat has many prestigious awards for his amazing performance. In 2013, he got Arjuna Award for outstanding achievement in sports. In 2017, he got Padma Shri Award for India's fourth highest civilian award. In 2018, he got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's Sporting Honor Award. In 2011 to 2020, he got ICC Player of the Decade. Fitness icon. Virat Kohli completely changed the fitness culture of Indian cricket. Super fit. He trains very hard in gym, even single day. Strict diet. He gave up his favorite junk food like butter chicken to be healthy and fit. Inspiration. He proved that to be best, you have to treat your body like a temple. Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Virat plays in IPL in RCB team. He is the only player who did not change his franchise until 17 years. After 18 years of struggle, he won the IPL trophy in 18th season 2025. He has huge fan base across India as well as worldwide. He is called the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shrutha. I am studying 5th class in Vardhaman School. Today I am going to tell importance and working of pharma industry. Health is wealth. Being healthy will make our life happy. Health is achieved through good food, proper sleep, exercise and good thoughts. When we get sick, ill or disease, we need medicines to be quiet and regain our health normal. Source of medicines. The medicines are prepared in pharma industry. The pharma industry uses natural medicinal sources for preparing medicines. Working of pharma industry. The medicine in pharma industry are prepared in different stages by the different department. Each department play a vital role in reaching the medicine to the patient. quality control, quality assurance, and warehouse. Research and development. Scientists make a lot of research and develop medicines to cure the disease. Clinical safety and trends. Check the medicines on animals and human for safety. Regulatory body. The medicine regulatory body or government or each country has drug regulatory body which controls and regulates the medicine available in the market. Production. After permission for the country regulatory body, medicines are prepared in large scale by the production department. Different forms of medicines. Injections, tablets, capsules, granules, and etc. For example, granulator, compress machine, coating machine, and capsule filling machine are used in tablet and capsule filling preparation. Vial sealing machine, vial filling machine are used in injection preparation. Packing process. The prepared medicines are labeled, they are packed in packing department. Quality control. The prepared medicines are checked for the quality control department assurance. Quality assurance. Quality assurance certifies the medicine assuring the quality of the medicine, meeting regulatory expectations and patient safety. Quality assurance certifies the medicine for release into the market. Warehouse. The packed medicines are stored in warehouse and the finished goods are released into the market from the warehouse as per the market orders. I feel proud to say my father, Mr. Mohammad Rafi Sheikh, is playing a major role in quality assurance of medicines prepared in pharma industry. Thank you. Be healthy. Prevention is better than cure. Follow good healthy habits and avoid medicine.
Good morning everyone, respected correspondent ma'am, principal ma'am and my dear parents. Today I am going to talk about how technology helps society. From healthcare to communication, technology has made it easier life and more connected. Communication, smartphone, social media, video calls connects people instantly, makes sharing information faster, helps family touch globally. Healthcare, modern medical technology improves treatment. Modern medical technology improves treatment. Example like doctor detected disease and advanced machines like MRI scanners. Education. Online learning platform makes education accessible in anywhere. Example like COVID-19. Technology allows classes to continue in online. Transportation. GPS helps people navigate easily. Environment. Technology helps moderate climate change. Business and economic. Automatically increase productivity. Technology plays an important role in society. It makes better life for everyone. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Divya. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Vadagaon School. Today I am telling about how big numbers help scientists to measure space and time. Why do scientists use big numbers? Space is huge and normal numbers are not enough. Scientists use big numbers to measure distance, size and time. Without big numbers we cannot understand universe. Understanding big numbers. 1000 is equal to 13 zeros. 1 million is equal to 16 zeros. 1 billion is equal to 19 zeros. In space, billions are small. Measuring distance in space. Distance between planets are millions of kilometers. Scientists use light year. 1 light year is equal to distance that light travel in 1 year. Earth and Sun example. Earth to Sun is equal to 150 million kilometers. Too big to write normally. Written has 1.5 into 10 power 8 kilometers. Scientific notation. What is scientific notation? A simple way to write very large numbers. Example 300,000 is equal to 3 into 10 power 5. Helps scientists to avoid writing log numbers. The speed of light. Light travels 300,000 in every second. Can circle at 7 times in 1 second. Easy to measure start distance. Size of planets. Jupiter is so big it can fit 1308 inside. Big numbers help us to compare planets and moons. Big numbers in spacecraft travel. Spacecraft travel extremely long distance. Voyager has traveled 24 plus billion kilometers. It is the farthest human-made object. Measuring time in space. Space missions take years. Stars take a millions of years to form. Age is equal to 13.8 billion years. How big numbers help scientists understand star distance, understand galaxy movement, predict planet weather, plan space missions, measure age of space objects. Fun space numbers. Milky Way is equal to 100 billion stars. Neutron teaspoon is equal to a billion tons. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. Hello parents, can I ask some questions about this topic? What is a light year? The correct answer is 1 light year is equal to distance that light travel in 1 year. How fast does light travel?
You asking question, huh? You asking question, huh? Again.
A light year. What does light travel in 1 year? The correct answer is 300,000 or 3 lakh kilometers in every second. How far is Earth from the Sun? The correct answer is Earth to Sun is equal to 150 million kilometers. Conclusion. Big numbers help us to understand the universe. They make huge distance easy to measure. Space becomes less mysterious with big numbers. Thank you.
Explanation.
8 times 100 power 10 power 6. Time. It takes time to write. It doesn't take time.
Explain what you are writing.
1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 into 150 is equal to 150.
What is 150?
50 million. Next question.
One more time. Between
The distance between alpha into meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters.
say
1000 meters into 150. Write short form. Here how many zeros? We should write power. 15 into 10 power 10. 10 power 15 into 10 power 10 meters.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sarfaraz. I am from grade 5, Vardhaman School. Today my topic is how maths help us in shopping and counting money. We use maths every day while shopping to count money, compare price and make good choice. Why maths is important? We use maths every day, especially while shopping. Help us add, subtract, multiply, divide. Maths makes sure we don't get cheated. Adding price while shopping. Example, apple 40 rupees, biscuits 20 rupees, juice 30 rupees, total 90 rupees. Addition help us know how much to pay. Finding the balance subtraction. Bill is 75 rupees, you gave 100 rupees, balance is equal to 25 rupees. Subtraction help us check correct change. Discounts and offers multiplication. Example, 1 pencil is equal to 5 rupees, 5 pencils is equal to 25 rupees. Help us total find quickly. Dividing money. Example, pizza is equal to 300 rupees, three friends each pay 100 rupees. Division help us split money equally. Estimation while shopping. Estimating help us stay within budget. Example, 4 items around 200 rupees. About 200 rupees. Understanding coins and notes. Knowing coins and notes values help us count faster. Checking the bill. We verify item count, total cost, discount, final bill, prevents mistakes and cheating. Mass online payments. Mass help us in digital payments and checking balance while shopping online. Fun money activity. Question. If you have 100 rupees, buy items worth 63 rupees. What is the balance? Answer is 37 rupees.
Do the problem.
Maths help us add, subtract, multiply, divide. Maths keeps our money safe. Is 60 rupees. Pen is 20 rupees. Pencil 10 rupees. Is total 90 rupees. First add first 0 as it is here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. Answer is 90 rupees total. Hi everyone, my name is K. Nishita and I am studying in 5th class. Today I am going to explain about the human excretory system, how waste forms and how it excretes. The human excretory system is responsible for the removal of metabolic waste produced by the body. These waste includes urea, uric acid, excess salt, water and carbon dioxide. The primary organ of excretion is the kidney, but other organs like lungs, skin and liver assist in waste removal. Kidneys. Human has two kidneys that are bean-shaped organs that filter the blood. Kidney removes waste like urea, excess salt and water. Kidney forms urine. It also controls blood pressure and water balance. As you see, these two thin tubes are ureters that carry urine from each kidney to the urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder. It is a hollow muscular organ that stores urine temporarily. It can hold around 400 to 600 ml of urine. When it gets full, it signals the brain to urinate through urethra. This is urethra. It is a tube through which the urine leaves the body. Let's also learn about some more organs that helps in excretion. Lungs. Lungs remove carbon dioxide and water vapor. Skin. Sweat gland excrete. Skin excrete water and skin excrete salt. Liver. Liver is the largest gland of human body. It converts toxic ammonia into urea and breaks down hemoglobin and removes all RBCs. This is large intestine. Large intestine eliminates undigested food in the form of digestion. So the human excretory system plays a vital role in maintaining the internal environment of the body by removing metabolic waste and regulating water and electrolyte balance. I hope you learned something about the human excretory system. Thank you.
In 5th class, today I am going to explain about the human skeletal system. The human skeletal system is the internal framework of the body. It is made up of 206 bones. In an adult, produce support, shape, protection and helping the movement. The human skeleton is divided into two main parts: axial skeleton, appendicular skeleton.
These bones form the central of axis. Skull has 22 bones, vertebrae column has 26 bones, ribcage has 24 bones, sternum has 1 bone, and another part is appendicular skeleton. These bones help in the movement. I want to tell you a hand contains 27 bones in each, and leg combining foot has 30 bones in each. Let's learn the function of skeletal system. Support gives shape and structure of the body. Protection, it protects vital organ legs. Skull protects brain. Ribcage protects heart and lungs. Movement, work with muscle to allow movement. Blood cell formation, bone marrow form red and white blood cells. Let's learn some more important bones to remember. Femur, longest and strongest bone present in the thin. Stab, smallest bone in the ear. Skull. Skull protects brain, ribcage protects heart and lungs. I hope you learned something about human skeletal system. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Abdul Aziz. I study in 5th class. Today I am going to explain about human brain. The human brain is most important and powerful organ in our body. It works like a supercomputer. It helps us to think, feel, move, learn and remember. The brain is control center of the body. The brain is protected by the skull. The brain is made up of millions of nerve cells called neurons. The brain weighs about 1.3 to 1.5 kilograms. The brain works even we are sleeping. The brain sends and receives messages through spinal cord. The brain uses 20% of our body's energy. Let's learn main parts of the brain. Cerebrum. This is first part. It is biggest part of the brain. It helps us to think, feel, move, learn and remember things. It will help us to control voluntary movements like reading and writing. Second part, this is cerebellum. It is smaller and located in back of the brain. It helps us to balance our body. It makes our movement smooth and coordinate. Third part, this is medulla oblongata. It connects with spinal cord. It controls automatic activities like heartbeat, breathing and digestion. But the question is why brain is important. Brain is important because it helps us to think, feel, move, learn and remember. It gives us emotions like happy, sad, angry and excited. So it is important to protect the brain. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for listening up to this.
Hello everyone, my name is Asta. I am studying in 5th grade. Today we are going to learn about a Sudan war. A Britain struggled for power and resources in Sudan, Africa. A Sudan war is conflict between the two groups, the SAF and RSF. They are fighting for control of the Sudan government and resources. Sudan is rich in natural resources like oil and gold. The two groups wants to control these resources to gain power and wealth. The war was caused by threat, destruction, displacement, and hunger. Many people have, most of them house, and some are even died for starvation. The war was create a huge human disease. Millions of people need of food, water, shelter, and medicine care. The international community is working to help Sudan and bring peace to the region. Many organisms are providing help and support for peace talk. The international community is working to help Sudan and bring peace to the region. Many organizations are providing help and support for peace talk. Let's hope peace and stability. Sudan, remember we can all make a different in better world. Thank you for everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Gopasmana from 5th standard. Today I will be talking about water safety precautions, an important topic that helps us to prevent accidents, injuries and even death in and around water. Water is essential for our life, but it can be also be dangerous if we are not careful. Whether we are swimming, playing near water or using water at home, taking proper precautions ensure our safety and safety of others. Importance of water safety prevents drowning and accidents, build confidence when participating in water activity, helps protect children and non-swimmers, reduce risk during emergencies like floods. Precautions of water safety. Swimming safety. Always swim in safe, supervised children. Never swim alone. So use the body system. Learn more basic floating and swimming skills. Do not run near pools. Wet floors can slippery. Water safety for children. Children should always watch closely near water. Keep bucket, tub and tanks covered. Teach children to wear life jacket. Boating and outdoor water precautions. Always wear life jacket during boat rides or swimming. Check weather condition before going out. Do not go into rivers or lakes during floods or strong current. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Yasmin. I am from 5th standard in Vardhaman School. Today we will be discussing the Chevala bus accident. A tragic incident occurred on November 3, 2025 in Chevala, resulting 19 deaths and many injuries. The accident caused by a collision between a lorry and bus. The lorry driver served to avoid water leading to the collision. The bus was overcrowded, making the situation worse. The accident occurred on a busy highway, causing widespread damage. The accident resulted 19 deaths, including a child. Many people were injured, some seriously. Families of the victims received ₹7 lakh compensation. The accident caused a significant emotional tremors to the families. The Telangana government ordered an inquiry into the accidents. Ministers visited the injury to provide affect families. The government announced measures to improve road safety. Efforts are being made to justice to the victims. Let's all be cautious on the road and follow traffic rules. Avoid potholes and drive safely. Wear seatbelt, helmet to stay safe. Let's work together to prevent such accidents in the future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tanushree, I am from grade 5. Today I am going to tell about shapes used in buildings. Why geometry in buildings? Shapes make buildings strong and beautiful, used in homes, buildings, towers and stadiums. Triangle, the strongest shape. Triangle do not bend easily, used in bridges and roof frames. Squares and rectangles used in windows, rooms, doors and walls. Easy to build and arrange.
Circles and curved shapes. Circle make buildings look smooth and modern.
You select your finger. You select first one.
Smooth and modern used in stadiums and balconies. Arches in architectures. Arches carries heavy loads used in bridges, tunnels and entrance. Polish in architecture. Sectogram and octogram carry strong art designs. 3D shapes in buildings. Cylinder, cone, cube and domes create structure. Y-shapes metal shapes help buildings stay strong and balanced beautiful. Shapes hunt activities. Look around. Clock, circle, windows, rectangle, column, cylinder, tile, square. Conclusion. Geometry is everywhere. Shapes help buildings stronger. Architecture become create with geometry. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kalbasha. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Vardhaman School. Today my topic is cloud seeding making rain. What is cloud seeding? Imagine if you could tell the clouds when to rain. Cloud seeding is a way to change the weather on purpose. It can help turn fluffy clouds into real rain or snow. Scientists use special seeds from their wings. A cloud. We first need a cloud that has some water in it. We can't make rain from a clear blue sky. The seeds we use tiny particles like silver iodide or plain salt. They act like magnets for water. Cold air. The air needs to be cold, healthy, so the water droplets can stick together or freeze ice craters. How do we reach the clouds? It's a long way up, so how do we get the seeds from their wings? Aeroplanes. Pilots fly right through the clouds and release the wings from their wings. Canoes, special machines on the ground can make shoot the seeds up into the sky. How does it work? It's like making a snowball. Think of the silver iodides like a tiny speck of dust. Water vapor in the cloud loves to stick to these peaks. As more water sticks, the droplet gets bigger and heavier. When it gets too heavy to float, it can fall down as rain or snow. Why do we do it? More water to help farmers when there is a drought and plants need water. Sky report use it to make sure when there is enough fluffy snow for skying. Stop hail. It can stop big hail from forming and damaging our cars and roofs. A cool history fact. 1946, the first discovery. This was the year scientists Vincent Schaefer and Bengal first discovery. They turn a cloud into snow by dropping dry ice into it. Is it good or bad? The good beings places help us food for everyone, clears away fog at airports so planes can land safely, makes air cleaner by washing away dust. The tricky parts, it costs a lot of money to fly the places to doesn't always work. We need cloud first, so some people worry about changing nature too much. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Farah Farooq, studying in 5th class. My school name is Vardhaman School. My topic is where late multiplication is useful. What multiplication table? Multiplication tables are good facts that help us answer faster. It is repeated addition. Example 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Mean 3 plus 3. They are the building block of math. We should learn table. Math easier help us solve problems faster, save time doing exam. We should shopping 3 backpacks into rupees 20. Cooking 2 cups into 4 people. Counting group. Playing time 5 days into 2 hours. Division fraction area and perimeter. Decimal word problem. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Bharat. I am studying 5th standard. Today I am going to tell about Elon Musk. He's a real life inventor and businessman. Short of life, Tony Stark from Iron Man. He loves building things that help the people more and make our world better, like electric cars and rockets. Next part we are going to tell about a kid with big ideas. Elon was broken in South Africa in 1971. When he was a kid, he loved reading books and more than playing outside. He taught himself how to be code and even made his own video game called Blaster. When he was only 12 years old, he moved to the US when he was a deep
wanted to build Amazon in new technology. Next point we are going to tell about PayPal. After college, he started his first companies more than PayPal lot a money sent to the world to become a monster register. Next point we are going to tell about Tesla electric cars. The electric cars was a future that the one time we can make or the PayPal said to the money or the last in the last. When he was making a lot of money, he thought himself how to be code a money. Once in my hand, money will come means I will reach like anything. Next point we are going to tell about SpaceX going to space. A rocket will one only goal is there for making a rocket. One is a rocket will go on the space and come in the earth safely. So that are the making a once only we can make in the goal. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi and I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to tell about which country is living in 2050. We are going to travel future and compare to huge countries, India and China. The biggest question is, which one is close to live in year of 2050? We know how they both are using their technology to change their world. China already has thousands of miles of heavy-speed trains that we does not have. India, while working on improve their technology, improve their transport to look into futuristic ideas like new type of fuel and maybe flying cars by 2050. China is leading connecting everyone into digitally with much higher rates of internet and smartphones using today. India is pushing for smart education and smart classrooms. Both countries using their technology in their cities to make their life easier. But China has better infrastructure in right now. Innovation is a key to live in year of 2050. China already spent lot of more money in researching, developing than India while. However, India has great mindsets in specific areas like space exploration, engineering, software. India successfully launched a rocket, record 104 satellites on one rocket. China already funded ahead in technology building things. They have invested heavily in huge projects like massive bridges, buildings, and heavy-speed trains. India is also growing faster, especially in computer software and IT services. China has built a huge manufacturing system, while India's growth in digital world. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, today we are going to explore the exciting world of space exploration and the rivalry between two major players. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and SpaceX has the leader in the quest for space supremacy. ISRO, India's National Space Agency, established in 1969 with a focus on space exploration and research and exploration. SpaceX founded in 2002 by Elon Musk. It is a private aerospace manufacturer and space transport company with a goal to reduce space transportation cost, enable the colonization of Mars. ISRO's PSLV is a reusable and cost-effective cost-effective launches vehicles with over 50 successful launches. SpaceX Falcon 9 is a reusable rocket with over 100 successful and a significantly lower cost per launch. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Anshul. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to tell about Telangana village sarpanch elections. Who is sarpanch? Think a sarpanch has a class monetary but the whole village. They are the leaders of Gram Panchayati. They choose by people to help everyone. What does a sarpanch do? Clean roads, street and drinking water. Clean roads, they make sure villages, streets clean and safe. Street lights, they fix lights so we can see at night. Drinking water, they ensure every home gets clean water. How do we know the candidates? In village elections, candidates do not use party flags. They use only simple objects. This helps everyone recognize who they are voting for. How do people vote? We use a ballot paper, a small slip of paper. People stamp their favorite symbol. Then they fold it and drop into a ballot box. The bandiking. After voting, officers put a special ink mark on the finger. This shows that you have done your duty and can't vote again. Who wins? After voting is over, officers open the boxes and count the paper. The person with the most votes becomes the new sarpanch. Why does we need to know? Voting choose good leaders. Good leaders make happy villages, playgrounds, schools, parks, kids like you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mithurata. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to tell about the language of dogs and cats. Understand our furry friends. Why do pets communicate? To share feeling just like you. They feel happy, sad or scared. To ask for things. I am hungry or let me out. To stay safe, warning others to stay away if they are scared. It's not just a noise. Every bark and meow tail wag has a special meaning. Dog vocalization. The bark. Playful high pitched of means let's play. Warning deep buff means someone is here. The growl. Usually a warning that back of an needs space but sometimes they growl playing tug of war. The wind. This means they want something like food, are in pain or feel lonely and want our attention. Dog body language. The tail type. A wagging tail doesn't always mean happy. A slow stiff wag means they are nervous. A big helicopter wag means super happy. The play bow. When a dog puts their front leg down and bottom up like in the picture, they are saying please play with me. Cat dog vocalizations. The meow. Cats mostly meow to talk to humans, not to other cats. They do it to say hello, feed me, or look at me. The purr. A soft rubbing sound. It usually means they are very happy.
and relax first. Sometimes they do it to climb themselves down. The is a snake-like sound. This is a big warning. It means I am scared or only go away, never touch a hissing cat. Cat body language. A tail flag. A tail slide sticking up is a friendly hello. It means the cat is confident and happy to see you. Aeroplane ears. When if a cat ears flatten sideways like aeroplane wings, they are scared or unnerved. It's best to leave them alone. Smell and touch. Super slipper. The dog explore the world with their noses. Sniffing is like reading the morning news for them. Bunhead, the big when a cat rub their face on your furniture, they are just clothing. They have scent glands on their cheeks. They are marking you as their property. It's a hug compliment. Same signal, different meaning. Dog wagging usually means I am unnerved, I am happy, or I am excited. The whole body often wiggles with it. Cat twitching usually means I am unnerved or I am hunting. It is a not sign of happiness. You are now a pet visual. Remember to always watch their body language and respect their space. Thank you for listening my topic. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Arun. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am telling about traffic rules of India. Why follow rules? Traffic rules are like game rules. They keep everyone and stop accident from happiness. Let's learn who be a road hero. The traffic lights. Traffic lights are bosses of the road. They tell vehicles what to do. Red, yellow, green. Red, stop, don't move. Yellow, white, G ready or slow down. Green, go, it's safe to move. Crossing the road. Also use the zebra crossing, toast black and white before crossing. Remember the golden rules. Look right, look left, look right, then look right again. Only cross when the cars have stopping. Walking saved. Use footpath. Also walk on the footpath if there is no footpath. Walk on the right side if traffic. Don't run. Never run or play on the road. It's dangerous because drivers may not see you. No phones. Keep your phone away. Then look, it's your safe gear. Hello everyone, my name is Lasa. I am studying 6th standard. Today I am telling water. The right way to drink water. Why do we need water? Energy boost. Water help you to run faster, longer without getting tired. Brain power. Drink water. Drink water. Keep your body cool. Keep your body cool and hot. Hot it outside. Cool down. Just like a car. Keep your body cool and hot. Happy tummy. It helps digest your favorite food. 3 hours to use water. Sipping. Drink slowly, little by little, the best way. Little by little, the best way. Bubbling water with gulping. Drink water extremely fast with big swallow. Avoid this. Bubbling water into your throat only when you are sick. Drinking extremely fast with big swallow. Avoid this. Gulping water in your throat when you are sick. Sipping the super way. How to sip? Take a small amount of water. Take a small amount of water in your mouth. Let's rise around a bite before you swallow. Why it is good? Why it is good? Sipping water mixed with saliva. Sipping water mixed with saliva. This helps your stomach digest your favorite food. Stop you from feeling your bloating like a balloon. Be a gentle rain. Imagining watering a plant. Sprinkling soil drink it up happily. Sipping is like a gentle rain for your body. From your body. Observe perfectly. Gulping is ouch way. What happened? Gulping is when you are drinking super fast always. Gulping is when you are drinking super fast always or very thirsty. You swallow a lot of air. The problem, the air gets trapped your tummy and can give you stomach peach puzzle. Water rush through too fast for your body to catch. Lohit water rule. Always to sit to drink. It help you to relax. Sip slowly. Don't rush inside the water. Don't gulping. No fire hose always. Room temperature or not too cool, not too hot. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ekta and I am from grade 5. Today I am going to say about patterns in prime numbers, what are prime numbers and why are they special. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and itself. Examples 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Fun fact, 2 is the only even prime number. Composite numbers.
3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Patterns in prime numbers. Except 2, all prime numbers are odd. Prime numbers become less frequent as they increase. When primes, they always have difference of 2. Examples 3, 5, 11, 13 and 17, 19. Why prime numbers are special? They are building blocks of all numbers. Used in computer security and password, help us understand numbers pattern. Prime factorization method. So we can take 12. So 12 can be divided by 2. So the result will be 6. So the result will be 3. So instead of 12, we can write 2 multiplied by 3. Next, we can take 18. 18 can be divided by 2. So the result will be 9. Again, 9 can be divided by 3. So the result will be 3. So instead of 18, we can write 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Can you give a number that I can solve? 16. So 16. 16 can be divided by 2. So the result will be 8. 8 can be again divided by 2. So the result will be 4. 4 can be again divided by 2. So the result will be 2. So instead of 16, we can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How to check if number is prime? Check if divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 7. If not, usually prime. Examples, 29 is prime, 45 is not prime, divisible by 5. Conclusion. Prime numbers are unique, powerful and important. They help us in maths, patterns and technology. Thanks for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Anisha. I study in 5th class. Today, I just want you to guess my topic name. Okay, tell me, do you feel cold in this winter season?
Yes.
Then what do you have to protect from cold?
Sweaters.
What type of fabric that made up of? Is it jute, cotton or any other one? From which animal do we get wool? So do you know how we get all these woolen clothes? Okay, don't worry, Rishta is here to explain you. There are so many stages to make this ready. Let's learn how to get wool fabric from sheep. First step is shearing. The process begins with shearing where the fleece, means hairy coat, is removed from the sheep using hand shears or electric clippers. It is basically cutting hair of sheep. Scoring. This is the second step of the removed fleece. It needs to clean. It is basically washing and cleaning stage. Drying. The wool is dyed using a series of roller and dryers. Shredding. Shredding is done once fibers are dried into groups according to the texture. Carding and combing. After this, the wool fibers are passed through carding machines. Carding separates stains. Basically, it is forming stage. Spinning. The carded rule is that spoon and yarn. Spinning is done using spinning machine. Dye. The yarn can be dyed at this stage. It is coloring stage of fiber. Weaving or knitting. The spoon yarn is woven on looms or knitted into fabric. Weaving creates strong and structured fabric, while knitting it produces softer and stretchable material. And finally, the fabrics are ready to stitch and make into cloth. I hope you learned about wool fabric from sheep. Thank you for listening. Anishita.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikita. I am from 5th standard. Today I am telling about child rights. What are child rights? Child rights are the special rights. All children are the special. All children are the special. So the children are living safely, happily and with dignity. Right to survival. Every child has the right to food, clean water, a safe home, proper health care. Right to education. Every child has the right to go to school, learn and grow, get equal opportunities. Right to participation. Every child has the right to share their ideas, be listened, take a part of an activity. We all must respect and protect the child rights build in future. Thank you all.
Hello parents, my name is Yoshit Reddy. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I will tell about my favorite shape, circle, square, triangle. My favorite shapes, circle, square and triangle. Shapes, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval. Introduction. Shapes are everywhere around us. They make objects look neat and meaningful. Today I will share my favorite shapes, 2D and 3D shapes. 2D shapes, circle, square, triangle, rectangle. 3D shapes, cone, cube, cuboid, cylinder. Circle, why like it? A circle has no corners. It looks smooth and perfect. Remind me of the sun, moon, bubble clock. Square, why like it? A square has 4 equal sides. It looks strong and balanced. Seen in title window box. Example of square: floor and wall, paper napkin, chessboard, watch, bread, cheese slice. Triangle, why like it? Triangle has 3 sides. It is the strong shaped structure seen in roof, mountain, traffic signals. Where we see these shapes: circle, clock, wheel, plate, square, window, title, chessboard, triangle, signals, roof, pizza slice. Constitution. Shapes make our wonder beautiful. Circle, square, triangle are used everywhere. Thank you.
Hello parents, my name is Jan Shri Prithviraj. Today we learn about something important in our body. Think present. Which is red color? Can you guess what is it? Yes, that is blood. Remember, it is red through the circulars throughout the body. Blood is made up of plasma and blood cells. As you can see, which is plasma in blood. Plasma is about 55% in blood, mostly water. Blood contains three types of cells: RBC, WBC, platelets. Red blood cells, RBC, carry oxygen using a pigment called hemoglobin, which is why red is blood. WBC, white blood cells, protect the body from diseases. WBC is part of your immune system. Platelets helps for clotting. An average 5 to 6 liters of blood. Blood transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste materials. Blood maintains body temperature. Thank you for listening. We are.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Akit. I'm studying 5th class. Before starting my topic, I want to ask a question. Who prepared food for us? Where does it come from? But do you know how plants prepare their food? Let's learn about it. I welcome to my topic photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process which plants make their own food. Where it happens, mainly in this, especially chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, what is required: sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide from air, water from roots. Process how it happens. Firstly, root absorb water, leaves take carbon dioxide, stomata, water and chlorophyll captures sunlight energy, water and carbon dioxide converted into glucose. Glucose means food. Oxygen releases by air produced. Importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis produce food for plants. Oxygen releases for humans and animals. Maintain carbon dioxide oxygen in balance in the atmosphere. I hope you enjoyed my topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kunal. I am studying in 5th standard. Today we will tell about food that we eat digested in our body. Let's learn about it. Taking the food into the mouth is called ingestion. From mouth, the food reaches to stomach through in food pipe. No digestion happen in food pipe. When the food reaches to stomach, it will mix with acid, enzyme and juice. Then it moves to small intestine and nutrients are mixed with blood. Then the undigested food go to large intestine. Here digestion completed and nutrients are mixed with blood. I hope you learned something. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishwar. Today I am tell about riding and driving. Riding and driving. When you ride, you usually sit off top and sit. You use your body to help balance, just like when you are on bicycle. You can also ride inside a car bus when you are passenger and car controlling. Drive. What is driving? When someone drives, they are in charge of a big machine. They sit inside. Drivers use steering wheels to turn accelerators to make the car go fast or stop. They have to pay very close attention to the road. Thank you.